we make a drawing of the petals of our flower. Bend the notebook sheet in half. The first petal will be 7 centimeters wide and 12.5 in height. From below we draw a line of 2 centimeters and draw the petal itself. Dam number 2. First, we also smooth the notebook sheet in half. The second type of petal is made in 10 centimeters in height, 4 in width and 1 at the bottom. Dam number 3. We draw a rectangle with a height of 3 centimeters and a length of 10 centimeters. We find the center and draw it. Now you need to draw a leaf. Cutting out templates.